Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ginong yalam jong ka all Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association. Henne kasni ka khat artrek unai lor, arja kat pra. Leit saya ke Jingkhang Ïing jong lat ke jela utata gata roy. Man pensngau hau halor ke jing bampalat ke sarkar ya ke Tulop ke bala sakot haru san Bnai kanthi. Bat komjo ke area ke bala pra Bnai kanthi. La ban penkemau hang ne dang shen ke Nonghikai Skul SSA. Kibran hapok ke Syakri jong ke all Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association. Bat ke all Garo Hills SSA Lower Primary and Upper Primary School Teachers Association. Hadien bekilakan taj banyasimenta ha ke jing rakhe ya ke sengi borom jong ke Nonghikai Skul. Kepala long kasan terik mentau nailor kila aipor ya ke sarkar arpos ni ban pelat no ya ke Tulop kebasan Bnai bat ya ke area ke bapra Bnai kibala penab lu paru da ke pen down straight ni ke jingsange trekam ke basiteo bat raru ban pelong sedaka indefinite straight ni ke jingsange trekam ke baklembu por lanu banweng da ke sarkar kam snap ya ke jing dawa jongki.
We discuss few points with regards to our number one is pending of our salary. And so the governor also, he was shocked to hear that for the last 5 months our salary has not been taken up. And the second one, we talk about clearing of the areas, 8-month areas. And also we have discussed with him that we will not be able to accept the recapping of the BAB. So if there is a recapping from our association side, we would like to advise the state that the state should be able to fill up that gap. So we should be receiving our salary as it was. So we will not be able to receive less amount of the salary.
Right. So,
and
carry on.
And we also have discussed a new agenda with him. So the first one is that irregularity of the salary. So there's always often irregularity of the salary. So he has assured us that he will take up the matter with the state and also with the central there. We have also urged him that we should see that the salary of the teachers should also be transferred as e-transferred directly to the teachers' personal account number, because all the employees nowadays are they transfer the salary, they receive the salary in their account number. But with the associate teachers, till now also we do not have that. And lastly, we also have urged the governor to take up the matter regarding the pension scheme for the associate teachers. As we see that the teachers, as soon as they leave their job, this means when they retire, they have nothing except their last month's salary with them. So that's a pathetic state, and we have to think about the immediate family also. So regarding that, we have discussed about the pension scheme, so maybe like EPF. So he assured that yes, he will be able to discuss that with the state and also with the center.